in Dallas, USA. During her summer trips to Bangalore, Vibha has had the additional good fortune of learning Bharatanatyam under the able guidance of Srimati Radhika Ramanujan, director of the Kala Ranga School of Dance in Malleshwaram. We thank the Mandyam Shri Vaishnava Sabha and the organizers of Aadi Vellikalme program for giving Vibha the opportunity to present her dance performance in front of this gracious gathering. We seek the Lord's blessings and pray for her continued growth and progress in this art. Vibha will now be dancing to Swagatam Krishna, a composition of Sri Uttukadu Venkata Subramaniam in the raga Mohana.
स्वागतं कृष्णा शरणागतं कृष्णा स्वागतं कृष्णा शरणागतं कृष्णा इह स्वागतं कृष्णा शरणागतं कृष्णा इह स्वागतं कृष्णा शरणागतं कृष्णा Krishna Sharanagatam Krishna.
Ellarkum நிறைய times for giving Vibha a chance to show her. She's just yet in her beginning stages, and இது ஒரு opportunity நம்மளுக்கு after the Americano வந்து இங்க உங்களோட ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கிறதுக்கு. Thank you very much. Vibha இங்க I would like to acknowledge her teacher here, Ms. Radhika Ramanujan. Please come to the stage. And she is the director of the Kalaranga School of Dance in Malleshwaram. So உங்களுக்கு யாருக்கான பசங்களுக்கு டான்ஸ் சொல்லி கொடுக்கணும்னா she is the person to go to. She is an excellent teacher, and whatever you have seen Vibha perform today is all due credit to her, and of course to her teacher in Dallas, Srimati Alpana Jacob. Vibha இப்போ 2 வருஷமா டான்ஸ் கத்துக்கணுக்கா, so she's really in her very nascent stages, but we continue to look forward to opportunities like this so that she can present her skills. Thank you.